What's up, guys? So we are here with my Aristo, and a little package came in the mail yesterday, straight from Japan. It is LS taillights. So today we're gonna unpackage this bad boy, try and install it. Let's get started. Inner tail lights. What you're gonna need is just a flathead and then a 10mm socket. I'll put another layer of glue on the seals just so water wouldn't get in. So I guess I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow to actually install them. But yeah, just let them sit here for the night and then I'll come back tomorrow. So I finally installed the LS taillights, but the wiring took a little longer than I would have liked. But yeah, they're installed. So this is the driver's side. Still need to install the passenger side. So I guess I'll film that process right now. Also need to install these the inner lights as well. Two little plastic pieces right here, which will reveal an 8mm or 10mm, sorry, bolt. So after those are out, you're going to want to undo these clips right here. There's one and there should be another one right there, but I think I lost it somewhere. But yeah, get started on that and then you can remove this and then get to the two bolts holding in the taillights. Just gonna remove these two bolts right there. And they're just 10mm. And it should pop out. And the taillight is out. So these are what the wires look like on the Aristo. I tapped into this for the reverse camera, which never worked, so that's still there. And then this is your brake light, which is, these are the two power, and the black and white one is your ground. This is your tail light running light, and the same in here, the white and black is your ground, and the red and the black are your power. This is your turn signal. I figured out that if you take out this bulb and you turn on your turn signal, it will flash really quick. So on this side I left the bulb in, and then this is your reverse camera.
What?
So I'm going to get started on tapping into these wires. The wiring's all done. I guess it's time to put this bad boy in. Get started on the inner tail lights. So finally, it is in. Hey, what's up? So we are in the car, and I just wanted to show you the brake light warning that comes up on the dashboard because I took out the brake bulbs in the back. So as you can see, that warning light is on. So I'm going to see if I can remove this instrument cluster and then maybe take out the bulb. What you're going to want to do is grab your plastic trim removal tool. Here, there's 4 clips. You just kind of lean it forward like this, and then there is a wire in here, right there, that you're going to want to unclip. It's just a little tab up there. So, and the whole thing just pops off like that. And then now there are 4 screws. It's there, and right there, and then that should pop off the actual instrument cluster. Basically at this point I'm delaying the inevitable of taking off my coilovers, so basically just doing everything except taking those coilovers off, because I know, like, I don't have a problem taking them off. It's putting them back together is the what I dread doing. So this should just come off now. And there should be some wires in the back as well. Gently, because there's wires. That is the instrument cluster. So I'm going to work on seeing if I can remove this bulb. It should be this one right here. I'm gonna get a Phillips, and there we go. So it's just a little Phillips head that you needed to remove, or kind of like unlock. And let's see if that did the trick. So we are back. There was some little scratches on the screen here, so I just hit it with like a little light compound. Now it's like squeaky clean. But yeah, now I'm gonna pop this back in. All done. Let's see if the light still pops up. Of course, it's not going to pop up because I took out the bulb, but yeah, now that that's done, I guess there's no way to delay it any longer. It's time to finally take off the coilovers. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye.